Dawson L26 engine. We put a clutch and a flywheel on. So first off, we're going to take out the pilot bushing. And we already preheated it. Now we just got to pull it right out.
YouTube friendly.
Look, I don't even gotta do it. I just, good job. This will do it for me. Good job. Thank God. Now the new pilot bushing. I'm about to put a socket in there.
What motor is this going in? Or what car is this going in?
On our Datsun from earlier in the video. Got it pulled out of the shop right now because right now we got Aaron's 370 up on the lift.
At Gumpy Z34. Should we see more of that? Gonna have to sip on my non-YouTube friendly drink here. If the camera doesn't see it. Hopefully, the camera doesn't see it.
Yeah, not cool, dude.
Yeah, it's not good.
I just got a Sprite. So.
Big Sprites, big Capri Suns.
Alright. Gonna put on the flywheel next. Oh, this is just I got this flywheel off of a used L24, I believe. They're interchangeable, so I'm about to ride on 100 pounds. 100 pounds for each bolt.
Usually, you don't want the things you put together to come apart.
Got it?
Sup y'all, it's Big Papa Dumpy here coming back at you. And I'm going to kindly ask you to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And make sure to share it with a friend. If you actually want to see better content, we need to start generating revenue. And I'm not telling you it's your job, but you should probably press that like button while you're at it.
Nice. Okay. Am I doing it wrong? What am I doing?
Put it on there. Make sure it's all lined up. Face the right way?
Facing the wrong way. Yeah,
brake clean.
Definitely got to do brake clean before putting the clutch on. That was my bad, guys. My bad.
Look away. Look away. Go ahead, look away. You know it. Look away. Look away now. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah. Coat it up. That's good. Woo! So much brake clean in there. Woo! Oh, used it all. What's going on, my little reapers? Welcome back. Today we have something very interesting for you. Sergio has ordered quite a lot of parts for his 240, so let's go check in with Sergio, see what he ordered. Sergio!
Hey, how's it going, big old guy? How you doing, buddy?
What did you order? Tell,
We got
tell people, come on, what'd you order?
So we got the rest of the parts of the transmission and clutch. So we can try to put it all together so we can put it back in the car. So right now I'm working on the. Just press the bearing as the bearing clutch release. And that's gonna go roughly balance to the fork.
The fork, everything, clutch hardware.
Clutch
Nice.
spring right here. The clutch fork is gonna go right like that. All the way. There we go. It's gonna go right in there. Get the boot off here. Nub right here. Go right there. I'm gonna have to grease that up real quick. Let me get the hose.
We will check back in with y'all when we get all the parts. Welcome back. To you guys, it's gonna seem like our video went like that, but to us here in reality on planet Earth, it's actually been what? How long since?
A week. Ran out of parts.
We ordered some more parts. Get some nice, some nice shiny new things. So we are back. We're gonna make it work. And you guys are gonna stay here and watch. And if you don't,
I will find out. I'll pull your IDs, each one of you, and I will make sure you watch.
so what are we doing right now, Sergio?
We're putting the clutch on and the clutch cover. I just done new bolts. Last time we were out here, it was nighttime and we ran out of clutch bolts. So we didn't have any clutch bolts. So.
It is now daytime at the old Reaper house. From what I've seen online, the torque specs are around 15 to 18 foot-pounds. Because these bolts are not the best. So, but once we get this clutch on, then trans should go on, and we're gonna see if we can get it in the car. Lay it out and make it look all pretty for you guys.
Alright guys, so I got the throwout bearing here and the clutch fork. I'm gonna put the clutch fork in first and throwout bearing next.
Alright, first of all, they're not called guys, buddy. They're called my little reapers. Back to you, Sergio.
Slide right into the fork. Like so. The ball joint is gonna go in.
Should get a hashtag Reaper Blast in the chat.
Give me a little hashtag Reaper Blast in the chat.
Alright guys, the train is on, clutch is back in, and everything's put together, so now we just gotta put the starter on. I'm just waiting on the trans mount so we can put it back in the car, but other than that, we should be good to go.
Nice, new, shiny eBay parts. eBay Motors, hit me up in the comments. Leave a comment for me. Thank you. That guy with the old diesel Mustang. Don't worry, buddy. I'll be sponsored by eBay Motors soon. Don't worry. I've seen your ads. Don't worry. Big Reaper cam on my little beautiful Reaper babies.
Birth in the womb.
It's looking good. It's looking good coming from the womb of Sergio
What's up guys?
and me. You guys are our little YouTube love child. And Caden. Thank you for filming today. And I like your gas station hat. Looks great. He has a lot of practice with moving his hands fast, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. That's
He
for
has,
our.
fastest Reaper wank.
Yeah. He has quite the fast Reaper wank. You care to comment on your Reaper wank?
A lot of practice.
A lot of practice. That's all they need to know.
Helping other Reapers.
Helping other helping other Reapers wank.
Achieving the Reaper blast.
The Reaper blast.
Achieving the inner Reaper blast. Oh my gosh. Maybe this isn't so 18 and younger friendly now.
Can we?
But
Let me see if I can.
YouTube doesn't need to know about that now, do they? Looking very good. Looking like this is gonna work. Confidence is slowly rising. Oh yes, yes. Yeah. Sergio has been working on other things today as well, not just his Reaper wank and the motor. And that not YouTube friendly drink right there. It's getting there. Lots of sandblasting.
Lots of snow.
Lots of snow on the ground. Quick snow in the old middle of, what month is it? September. September. Not quite winter, but almost there. Alright, Big Reaper. What's our next move?
Just trying to type down the starter right now.
Tighten down the starter?
That's basically it. After that, we're golden pretty much.
We are golden. I don't know. Are we putting the engine in today?
We're missing the transmission mount. So
Transmission mount. Yeah, that is true. We don't want to stress on these old hunks of garbage. It's looking good. It's looking like it's actually gonna work. Alright, my little Reapers. And my Big Reaper here. My other Big Reaper over there. I think that's gonna do it for us tonight. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on that notification bell.